I love the variety here. Every day I come in, it's something different. I'm in the field, I'm at my desk, I'm rendering, or I'm designing, or I'm making construction plans, answering phone calls. I never know what I'm gonna get day to day, and that's what I love.
Because going to work isn't like going to work.
I work with a great group of people and enjoy coming into work every day.
I like the fact that we have a couple different offices and I get to work at the office that's closer to my home.
I enjoy the variety of projects that we have. One day I'm working on a project for a public sector client and the next on a new development project for a private sector client.